Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change pitch on Filmora. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Filmora application, and as you can see I have created a project and I'm going to change the pitch in this video. Before I change the speed, I'm going to show you the original video. Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Okay, this is my original video guys, and I'm going to show you how we can change the pitch of this video. If you want to do that, we can go to the audio menu and then we're going to scroll down until we find pitch, and then here you can reduce the pitch or increase the pitch. I'm just going to increase it.
Now in this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can
decrease it to make it deeper.
Translate a document in Microsoft Word.
Okay, and that's easy, right? You just need to go to the audio and then you will be able to change the pitch right here. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change pitch on Filmora. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.